friends, happy Saturday. I'm waking up with a bout of bronchitis, but we are still going to power through this day. Today I'm going to take the kids into town. We're going to go shopping at a health food store that I've been going to since I was probably 5. My mother used to take me in there. Grab a few things to help kick this crud. And then I'm going to go to Aldi and do a grocery haul that is Alpha Gal friendly. And I will share that with you later. Let's go. The day started out rather cold and rainy, so we waited a little while before we started to town, and we stopped by my father's for a bit to let him see the kids before I went shopping. When the storms had finally passed, we went on to Aldi. Most of the store was well picked over, so I only was able to get a few of the things on my list. I grabbed some sweet potatoes that I use every day, some bananas for little Missy and some smoothies, blackberries that I use in breakfast, blueberries, strawberries for smoothies, some lunch meat and cheese for the kids' sandwiches, and our son grabbed our dog a treat. I grabbed 2 bags of Brussels sprouts that I will be using in stir fries, and several organic pouches for Little Miss, some green onions, bag salad to go with dinners, strawberry popsicles, ice cream, and some cupcakes. I rarely grab cupcakes because of the food coloring, but our son wanted them. Some chicken for dinner, a whole hen I'll be roasting this week, olive oil and marinara sauce, and some apple juice. I also grabbed some trash bags, scrubs, disposable bowls for snacks, and some yogurts for snacks. One thing that was not in the video is a 10-pound bag of potatoes. I also grabbed some black beans and tomato sauce because my husband loves chili and I will be making that this week. And our son had to grab whole corn because he loves it with mashed potatoes and chicken. I pan-fried the chicken with some green onions and sliced Brussels sprouts for dinner. Cooking the Brussels sprouts down this way leaves them with a very buttery flavor. The only spices I used was garlic powder and salt, and I served it with a side of blackberries. As for my herbal run, I use wild oregano oil for infections and ginger tea for inflammation. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And until next time, stay happy and healthy.